A tiny lighthouse glows as a seashell speaker hums a soft oceanic white noise that eases a sleepy baby into calm. A caregiver cupping the shell to the infant's ear creates a warm bond, while shells shimmer like tiny stars in a quiet room. The sound ripples through the crib, blending with steady heartbeats and a distant lullaby, guiding dreams to drift in with the tide. Evening light softens, shadows settle, and the baby's breathing synchronizes with the gentle, perpetual wash of waves. Finally, silence gently returns, leaving peace as morning nears.